Hi, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Eritrea. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Eritrea, a country in East Africa, is primarily driven by agriculture, forestry, fishing, mining, manufacturing, energy, finance, and tourism. The economy of Eritrea has experienced considerable growth over recent years, largely due to the commencement of full operations in the gold and silver Bisha mine, and the production of cement from the cement factory in Massawa. Forex trading around the world has become increasingly popular over the course of the last few years, and as such, finding a list of some of the best Forex brokers in Eritrea and worldwide can be a difficult process, especially when looking for a trustworthy broker who accept and offer their services to local investors from this country. So in this video, we are going to be going through some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Eritrea. Coming in first at number 5 on our list is RoboForex. RoboForex Group was founded in 2009 with its headquarters located in Cyprus. With over 800,000 active traders, 12,000 market instruments, and 8 different asset types, RoboForex offers services and specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, indices, ETFs, commodities, metals, energies, and cryptocurrencies. Available platforms are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, R and C Trader platforms, as well as RoboForex's terminals for mobile traders, which are supported on iOS, Android, and Windows operating systems. Provided accounts are featured on Prime, ECN, Rtrader, ProCent, and ProStandard accounts, with up to 36 currency pairs, a variety of tradable market instruments, lower minimum deposits, and more, with fixed spread accounts available on FXTM, FXTandard, ProCent, and ProStandard accounts. RoboForex also provides their very own educational panels, which features Forex analysis and forecasts, beginner introductions to getting started with trading, a range of video tutorials, trading tools, as well as an economic calendar if you are looking to expand your education with RoboForex. Coming in at number 4 is FXTM. FXTM is an online, fully regulated financial broker. Founded in 2011, FXTM primarily remains a MetaTrader-only broker and offers 7 account types that provide traders with access to up to 59 currency pairs as well as CFDs on 173 single stock shares. FXTM provides services and specializes in trading through Forex, precious metals, CFDs, commodities, CFD indices, and cryptocurrencies. Available accounts are featured on Standard, Cent, CFD, Stocks, ECN0, ECN, and FXTM Pro accounts with swap-free options, a variety of base currency options, instant executions, and more. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the FXTM Trader application, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FXTM also provides their very own learning center which covers a video learning library, seminars, webinars, trading articles, a variety of helpful ebooks, great customer support, and more if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with FXTM. At number 3 on our list, we have Alpari International. Alpari International is the business name of Xfinity Limited and is regulated and licensed by the Financial Services Commission of Mauritius. Alpari International specializes in trading through Forex, metals, commodities, stocks, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platforms for live and demo accounts are available on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature Forex Standard, Forex Micro, Forex ECN, and Pro accounts with up to 4 tradable base currency options, lower spreads, floating and fixed leverage, a variety of tradable market instruments, and more. Alpari also provides their very own Beginner's Guide panel, which takes you through all the fundamentals of Forex trading and strategies, such as guides in commodity and precious metal trading, as well as a variety of webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking for any additional education. At number 2 on our list is FBS. FBS is a Forex and CFD broker, which is authorized and regulated by the International Financial Services Commission of Belize and the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission. FBS offers users the option to trade on Forex, indices, stocks, metals, and energies. Featured platforms are available on the FBS Trader platform, as well as MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are provided on Cent, Micro, Standard, Zero Spread, and ECN accounts, with swap-free options, demo accounts, floating and fixed spreads, low minimum deposits, and more. FBS also provides their very own Forex analysis panels, informative market overview videos, beginner, elementary, intermediate, and experienced Forex guides, a variety of video lessons that delve into educational topics from opening your account to the use of their platforms, as well as seminars, webinars, and an economic calendar for you to browse through if you are looking for any additional educational resources with FBS. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Eritrea, we have XM. XM is a globally regulated financial broker that operates with clients from over 196 countries and offers support in over 30 different languages. Their main branch is located in Cyprus and is fully regulated by the CYSEC. XM specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, commodities, indices, metals, energies, and shares. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature Micro, Standard, XM Ultra Low, and Shares accounts that come equipped with negative balance protection, lower leverage, and a variety of tradable base currency options. XM also provides their very own educational resource center, which delves into various trading educational videos, a daily live streaming and podcast service, as well as free webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking for a more personal, in-depth educational experience. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Eritrea on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and good luck with all your trading activities.